and today I'm back with many more skincare tips. But before entering into the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please make sure that you subscribe it. Last week we have seen how to remove summer tan, but this week we are going to see how to take care of the skin. There are many more skincare tips on the internet, but I'm also back with some basic tips which you should follow daily, and some of them are weekly. So let's get into it and see what all these tips are. The first and foremost tip is you should hydrate yourself. No matter what the season is, make sure that you are drinking water for every half an hour. Even though you are not hungry or even though not thirsty, make sure that you are drinking at least 250 ml per half an hour. Per day you should make at least 3 to 4 liters of water. Because if you are drinking more water, it removes the toxins from our body and makes sure that our skin is healthy. And if the toxins are removed from our body, it makes our skin glow too. And the second important tip is make sure that you are moisturizing your skin. Irrespective of the skin, your skin may be normal, dry or oily skin, you should apply moisturizer. Many people think that I have an oily skin, if I apply moisturizer, again the skin becomes more oily. It's not like that. If you want, like if your skin is oily, you can pick a moisturizer which is gel based. If you have a dry skin, you can have a moisturizer which has oil in it. And if you have normal skin, you can just pick a cream moisturizer. As I have an oily skin, I am picking up a gel moisturizer. And the third tip, this is very important as hydrating yourself. Many people have a notion that today is not sunny, today it's raining and it's winter, no need to apply sunscreen. But sunscreen is the must and should step you should take care for your skin. Even though you are applying makeup or not, that is not an issue, you should apply sunscreen. There are many UV rays coming from the sun which makes your skin dull and also it tans your skin. Make sure that your skin is healthy by applying sunscreen. And many people have doubts on how much sunscreen you should apply. I'm also going to show how much sunscreen you should apply for your face. As for the moisturizer, I have picked a gel based because I have an oily skin. Even for the sunscreen also, I have picked gel based sunscreen. Before buying a product, make sure that which type of skin you have so that you can buy the correct product and also you can apply it carefully. Before applying any product to your skin, make a patch test behind your ear so that if the product is not suitable for your skin, it might be coming like some rashes or some pimples kind of thing. So it is better always to check the product before applying it on your face. Make sure that you check it behind your ear. So if it doesn't show any symptoms, then you can directly apply it to your face. While picking up a sunscreen, make sure that you are taking at least above SPF 30. I have picked SPF 50. It's better always to have above SPF 30 and 40. And many people rely on the sunscreen which is there in makeup products, but it is not at all suitable or it's not sufficient. Make sure that you apply sunscreen. And also if you are going out or if you are staying out for a long period, apply it for every 2 to 3 hours. Make sure that you are reapplying it. Even if you have applied makeup, also reapply it on your makeup. If you want to check whether sunscreen is needed for your skin or not, just apply a patch of sunscreen on your hand and go outside and stay in the sun for hours, and you can see the clear difference between where you have applied sunscreen and where the sunscreen is not. There will be a little shade difference on your hand or on your face. I have checked it practically. I have seen that shade. If you want to take care of your skin, make sure that you apply sunscreen irrespective of seasons. These 3 tips are which we can take care from outside of the body. So the inner glow or the inner health care should be there for every kind of routine. So for this also, to make sure that your skin is healthy, break some sweat. Do work out every day at least for 20 minutes of time, so that if sweat comes out, the harmful toxins or the dirt in your skin will come out and makes your skin glow. Not only that, if you are working out, the blood circulation will be done properly, and after some period of time, like if you are working for a long time, after 1 month or 2 weeks, you can see the change in your face itself. So make sure that you are working out daily for at least 20 minutes. And the next skincare tip is, for every week apply some steam for your face. Not for a longer period, just for 5 minutes. Let that hot steam come onto your face and remove all the dirt from your face. So it's not like every day. Make sure that you are doing at least for once a week. Including this, scrub your face. Make a habit of exfoliating your face, but don't do it daily. Exfoliating the skin daily is very harmful for the skin. Just do it twice a week or for alternate days. In addition to all this, you can also take supplements of vitamin C and vitamin E, but it is a good habit of taking vitamin C in the form of fruits like oranges, gooseberry, pineapple, lemon, like that. Include all this in your diet so that if you are taking all the fruits in daily basis, it will enhance the skin glow. So the final tip for today, guys, if you are a person who applies makeup daily, make sure that you remove the makeup after you come back from work. Not only with makeup wipes, you have to remove the makeup with double cleansing, because we have pores in our skin. So some of the makeup will be left up in the pores if you are just removing the makeup with makeup wipes. So if you are double cleansing it, the whole makeup within the pores will come out and your skin will be clear. If the pores are left with makeup, it may cause to breakouts, rashes and pimples. So make it a habit of double cleansing daily. These are the tips for today, guys. If you liked our tips, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe our video. Beside the subscribe button, you will have the bell icon so that if you press it, you will get the notifications from our channel whenever we upload a video. So thank you for watching, guys.